Frank, today I'm going to see an unboxing video. Today I'm going to unboxing a SMPS and it is an Antec 80 watt 450 watt SMPS and the price of the product will be 2800 rupees. It is an SMPS product and the brand will be Antec 80 plus 450 watt SMPS and also it comes with 3 years of warranty. There are more brands will be available if you're looking for an SMPS like Corsair, Gigabyte, but if you're tight in budget and if you're looking for a SMPS in a budget segment, then just pick this product. It is a decent product. In the box you can see one 450 watt 80 plus SMPS. Okay guys, thanks for watching.